welcome to my channel. This is Natalie from Simply Natalie, and in this episode I was about to make a gingerbread house from the scratch, right? Because I want to show you the right way how to make the gingerbread house. But I kind of run out the time because it is December 5th already. Usually we buy from the store, we buy a kit. I don't want to show you just how to assemble the gingerbread house. I want to actually make from the scratch so you can see how to make gingerbread house and then assemble, right? So yeah, I'm running out of time, I fail, so no gingerbread house for me. It's fine. Maybe I can share with you gingerbread cookie, hopefully. All right, so instead of that, I want to share with you what I like to eat sometime for the dessert. And I don't want to call this a healthy dessert. So what is not healthy is just only the Nutella I'm using. Everything else is actually healthy. So I need strawberries, bananas, Nutella, almond nuts. Put me in a better mood. By the way, leave me a comment below if you're making gingerbread cookies, gingerbread house this year. So we're gonna need bananas. Gonna peel the bananas. Okay. And then we need strawberry, pre-washed strawberries. So I'm gonna slice strawberries. Add how many strawberries you like. So I got that much. I think that's enough for me. And I'm gonna get like half of the banana. This is like for one serving. There. If you like more banana, go ahead, add more bananas, but I'm fine. Look how beautiful it is. And top it up with the nuts, and boom, we're done. Look how pretty it is. Can't wait to eat this. Also, I love to eat for dessert oatmeal, especially like you can eat this for breakfast, but I like to eat this during the daytime. And I can leave you a link below and you can see how I made that. Okay, let's try that. So delicious. Yummy. It's powder. Not Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm gonna finish eating these goodies.